guys, good morning. Today I want to talk to you about very important and serious topic about the spiders. Why I choose this topic is because a couple of days before my son has been bitten by a spider, and this is not the first time that happened in United Kingdom to him. Unfortunately, I think my son has some allergic reaction of spiders, and when they bite him, he's not getting any better. As I know, in United Kingdom there is around 14-15 types who can be quite dangerous, but one of the most famous dangerous spider is the false widow the false widow spider. Why is called false widow spider? Because looks like the black widow, which is very poisonous. Thanks Lord, there is no black widow in United Kingdom, but there is around 14 or 15 types of spiders who can bite you in United Kingdom. I want to tell you as well that the spiders who are dangerous are the brown recluse spider, the hobo spider, the wolf spider, the black widow, the false black widow. As I said, this one is in United Kingdom. Also the banana spider and many other spiders. In my next video I'm going to speak a little bit about the 14 types of spiders who can bite you in United Kingdom or around United Kingdom. I think these spiders are mostly in this area because of the climate, and most of the spiders in United Kingdom are harmless, but some of them have venom or poison which can penetrate human skin. Well, that's what happened actually to my son. He has been bitten by a spider, but I don't know what kind of spider has been biting him. Most spiders will usually not attack you with no reason. They will only attack you or bite you if they feel threatened. But I don't know how my son, when he was sleeping, he tried to attack any spider. I think just the spider passed through him, and maybe he moved or something, and then he has been bitten by the spider. Unfortunately, the place where he has been bitten the last time, it was exactly on his foot, and for one day he was actually having difficulty of walking, and he was crying almost the whole night, and I really was living like in nightmare. I have never been experienced spider bite, or maybe I have been bitten by a spider, but I didn't react the same way like my son reacted to the spiders. I will tell you that it depends of the victim, it depends of the spider. As I said, some spiders are harmless, but if you are allergic of spider bites, you might experience very bad symptoms. Some people can experience like redness, swelling, numbness. You can as well experience nausea, vomiting. You can feel tired, and in some cases, guys, you need actually immediately emergency service. So you should check if you have been bitten by spider, whether you need medical attention or not. What you can do, guys, is after you have been bitten by the spider, maybe when you're sleeping or something, you will not notice whether you're bitten or not. What you're going to do, your skin will be irritated, and you will start scratching yourself, same like a mosquito bite, or let's say like a bed bug or something like that, and you start scratching. What will happen after that? In most cases, the skin which is has been bitten will start swelling, and maybe it will become blister with water, or just will be swollen. What you need to do in this kind of cases is better, if you have been bitten by spider, to take soapy water and clean it around the bite. that can prevent infection, future infection or something like that. What else you can do if you are bitten by spider, and you can react very fast, like taking ice cubes or something from the freezer and apply over the bitten area. That can help to reduce the swelling for some time. Also, what you need to check for as well is if you're having problem with difficulty of breathing, if you're having numbness, if you're having nausea, if you have vomiting, if in a couple of hours your throat is tightening and you can't breathe, or you are having difficulty in swallowing water or something like that, you should call immediately emergency services or go to the nearest hospital if you can go by yourself, because guys, some spiders can make a reaction and made you to need a emergency medical attendance. Some people will need even injection or something like that. As I told you, it depends on the victim. Why? Because, for example, if my son has been bitten by a spider, maybe his skin will react this way, and maybe if I have been bitten by the spider, my skin will react differently. This is something the same like the wasp or bee bite. Some people have just little bit swelling, just little bit redness, and after a couple of days the swelling is going down and everything is fine. But in some people who are allergic of like wasp bite or bee bite, they need emergency immediately medical attention, and they need to go to the emergency, and they need to have some injection to help them to fight with some infection or something like that. If you have difficulty breathing, nausea, muscle pain, stomach pain, back pain, as I said, tightening in your throat and you can't swallow very easily, feeling faint, swelling, it's very bad and red. If you think that you have been attacked by poison spider, please go to the emergency rooms and check, go to the hospital and check it. Do not ignore spider bites, because there are some people who have been bitten by spiders, and I read in the news in UK they have been biting in their garden, and that they just left it for a couple of days thinking that they didn't know from what they're biting. They just kept it a couple of days thinking that it will go by itself, and unfortunately after a couple of days they didn't improve. They actually had a fever, shivering and redness and these kind of things. And if you don't go and you don't treat the infection on time, you can actually have a sepsis, which is blood poisoning, and that can lead to even death. In United Kingdom there is no cases from spider deaths or something like that, or at least no one is telling about that, but I know there are nasty spiders around us. And also I want to tell you about that in September and October usually the spiders are going out looking for a partner. This is actually their population season. They're looking for a partner because they want to multiply, and that's why you can see more spiders around your house or around your garden nowadays. So be careful and try to prevent try to protect yourself, cover yourself with nice clothes, with nice shoes, with nice pants. Do not ignore it. If you have any swelling or something like that, call your GP if you're concerned, or if you're having breathing problem, nausea, numbness or something like that, just go to the hospital and get it checked, because as I said, spider bites are nasty and they can make infections which can lead to even amputation, or even can lead to death if it's not treated on time. Be happy, be positive. In my other video I'm going to share about my own experience about spiders and how and what I did when my son was bitten by spider. Be happy, be positive. Ciao ciao.